In this video, I'm going to talk about the best platforms to use in place of ClickFunnels, which are cheap and also offer good features compared to ClickFunnels. And if you stay with me till the end, I'm also going to give you the bonus tips on how to choose the best ClickFunnels alternatives for your business. So if you have been searching for sales funnel software, you will at least hear about ClickFunnels once. And there are several posts which praise the software as one of the best key solution for business. And yes, they are not wrong. ClickFunnels is one of the best software, but ClickFunnels is not the cheapest and the most perfect solution for any business, guys. It also has several disadvantages, and the most common issue what people face is its price. Yes, because it has high monthly price for both its starter and a premium plan, guys. So that's why in this video here I am to talk about best alternative for ClickFunnels, which also offers good features, which is affordable, and it has all-in-one solution for you guys. So let's get started. The first one is Kartra. Now Kartra comes with a variety of business tools focusing on building sales funnel with high lead generation. There are so many things you need to care about besides building a sales funnel when it comes to online marketing. Kartra proved extremely helpful by integrating all the online marketing tools that are needed to scale a business. Kartra has every tool it needs to become an all-in-one solution for any business, from email marketing, shopping cart system, sales funnel, campaign marketing, web hosting, and so on. And here are a few reasons why you need to choose Kartra. The first reason is it combines the landing pages, payments, sales pages all in one place. Second reason is in Kartra, you can find all the marketing tools even with the basic plan. And third one is when it comes to pricing, it's quite affordable. You can also see it here in an image. It offers you like four basic, four plans. The second one is lead pages. Now lead pages is basically for someone who don't require a lot of advanced features but also wants to create some conversion optimized landing pages. For most businesses, landing pages is something which is indispensable to attract potential customers. And thanks to lead pages for that, because here you don't have to create, you don't have to know some coding, because they have some amazing features, with which you can create some beautiful landing pages. So if you don't expect an all-in-one marketing solution like ClickFunnels, but they have some amazing robust features, with which you can create some stunning landing pages. So if you're looking for something like that, then I guess lead pages will be definitely a good option for you. So here are some of the reasons why you should choose lead pages. The first one is it's extremely powerful for creating some amazing landing pages with some high converting performance. And second one is when it comes to pricing, it's quite affordable and gives you a lot of flexibility in prices. Definitely check out, and here is the image. The third one is System.io. The biggest difference between ClickFunnels and System.io is the pricing plan it has to offer and the range of features on offer. Apart from creating sales funnel, you can also create and run your affiliate program. You can send and automate the email marketing campaign and so much more. With no tech knowledge, you can launch, grow, and manage your online marketing business. And also business owners can find a lot of same features as ClickFunnels in System.io, but with much lower price. And here are some of the reasons why you should choose System.io instead of ClickFunnels. First one is features. Here you can do so much more with only less amount. Second one is when in terms of pricing, it's quite affordable. System.io's expensive plan is $97, which is ClickFunnels' cheapest plan. Can you see the range of difference over here? And the third one is you don't need credit card to purchase this, which is so much easier. Fourth one, you can run and automate your entire business with System.io. Fourth one is Builderall. Now Builderall is one of the famous names when it comes to low price ClickFunnels alternatives. Just like System.io, what we discussed previously, and ClickFunnels, Builderall is also an all-in-one digital marketing solution, which is basically designed to help you start, grow, and scale your business to a higher level. It also has, quite similar features like System.io and ClickFunnels, but here are some reasons why you should choose Builderall instead of ClickFunnels. First one is Builderall offers a free plan with unlimited subscribers with several advanced features which ClickFunnels doesn't offer. And second one is it also has some various features specializing in digital marketing tools. Third one, it also enhances your customers' online experience. And fourth one is it has some amazing pack of templates more than the ClickFunnels offers. Before I forget, here are my bonus tips for you guys that you have to keep in mind before choosing awesome suitable ClickFunnels alternatives for your business. So before you choose a ClickFunnels alternative, these are the questions that you need to ask yourself. The first one is the software easy to use and has a friendly user experience. For this, you can check some YouTube videos or take some free trial of the software. Second one, you can also check is it an all-in-one digital marketing solution like ClickFunnels or no. Third one, what exactly features do they offer? Is it really helpful for you or no? Fourth one, what integrations do they offer? Is it really, because integration etc. are really important important when it comes to sales funnel building. So also check what kind of integration do they offer. And fifth one is how many templates do they give you. And sixth one, do they really have this A/B testing feature or no, because that's very important. I always recommend people to try this A/B split testing, because that will basically help you to understand how is the things performing or no. Also check that do they offer or no the A/B testing. Seventh one is how much does it cost? Is it affordable or no? So these are some of the questions that I do keep in mind before choosing funnel alternatives. These are the questions what you should also keep in mind. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a very small video, very to the point, just to understand, like, these are the ClickFunnels alternatives, which also offers some amazing features like ClickFunnels. You can check out these things. I really love the System.io and Builder all. The rest are also really good. Kartra is also good. You can definitely check it out based on your affordability, the price, etc. But those are really good ones. The rest also, but these are my favorite tools which I basically came up with. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you loved it. As I always say, I also put some awesome kick-ass content on my Instagram, so do check it out and follow me there. Hit the follow button. I would love to connect with you. Thank you. See you in the next video.